morning, I am Srilekha, Department of Chemistry. Today I am going to talk about on the topics of DT based video on estimation of the pH in water sample by pH meter. So here the aim of this experiment to conclude with this, to estimate the hydrochloric acid, the water sample will contains the HCl solution in this. So with this, the whole given solution of the HCl solution, the standard solution of NaOH we have to consider for this burette solution. So by using this pH meter, we have to identify the water sample by the pH value, that is 0 to 1 is an acidic medium and 7 is a neutral medium and 7 to 14 will be considered as a basic medium. So with this pH value, we have considered the water sample, and by using this pH solution, the purpose of pH electrode to consider the H plus ions in this sample solutions. So with this solution, I am taking the solution for HCl solution, and with this the particular H plus ion have to concentrate with this solution. So I am going to consider with this the burette solution, pipette solution, and with this titration for the experiment. So with this, what is the burette solution we are using in this experiment? Sodium hydroxide. And the pipette solution, hydrochloric acid HCl. So from this HCl we are taking with this burette solution of NaOH, and with this HCl we are taking as a NaOH with this, and H is removed from the HCl to consider the pH values. And what is the electrode we are using in this experiment? Glass electrode. So glass electrode represents which is in the glass bulb furnace, which is considered to form a bulb furnaces. And what is the temperature we are using? Room temperature. We are maintaining in a room temperature for this experiment. And what are the instrument we are using in this? pH meter. One is the pH meter and the pH electrode we are using in this experiment. And next one, what are the measurements we are going to do? pH measurements. So pH measurements which are all decreases by using the values from 0.3 to 0.2, slightly varying decreases from the solution. And after that we have to consider by the increasing value by this pH meter. So first we are going to add about the burette solution with this NaOH solution. So with this burette, the NaOH solution is considered for the burette solution. And with this pipette solution, 20 ml of the HCl solution we have taken. For dilute this solution, 10 ml of the distilled water we have to add in this solution. So with this solution, we have to connect with this pH electrode into this pH meter. Then only we have to convert the what is the reaction between the NaOH will kionize to the Na plus ions. Okay. So with this, the first starting reading which should be considered as a 0 with the pH meter. Okay. And we have to add 1 ml of the solution of NaOH into the HCl solution. By calculating with this, the solution will be changes according to the readings by the values slightly decreases, and by this values again we have to add the 2 ml of the solutions into the HCl. So likewise we are adding the 1 ml of the solution into this readings, and we will get the graph value of the del pH value. By plotting the values with this experiment, the volume of sodium hydroxide with the values of 0 to 10 ml of the solution, and with the digital experiments we will get the values from 0.3, 0.1, likewise it is a slightly decreasing, and the sudden midpoint it will decreases to form a values. With this calculation we have to plot the graph for del pH by V, del PV or mean volume we have to calculate. By plotting these graph by two values we will get the midpoint of the pH meter. So by using this pH meter at the midpoint we have to calculate for del P equal to V1N1 by V2N2. Okay. So with this we have to find that what is the normality of the pH for HCl solution and what is the volume of the total HCl solution present in the HCl solution. So this is the experiment to identify the water sample of pH experiments. Thank you.